Hi students, this is Karthik Trivedi and you are watching a lecture series of engineering graphics and design. So in today's lecture, we're gonna solve another problem of projection of lines. So let us see the example. So you can see the example on your screen. Front view of line AB is 50 degree inclined to XY and measure 55 mm long, while its top view is 60 degree inclined to XY line if and A is 10 mm above HP and 15 mm in front of VP. Draw its projection, find true length, and also you have to find inclination of line with HP and VP. So now we will see what is given data. So first thing that we have is the position of point A, which is given, which is point A is 10 mm above HP and 15 mm in front of VP. That means the point A is in first quadrant. Okay. Now second thing he has given is the value of alpha. You can see that in the first line he has written front view of line AB is 50 degree inclined to XY. So we know that whatever the angle that front view makes, that will be the alpha angle. Okay, so here the front view is making an alpha angle with XY and the value is 50 degree. So here the value is given, the alpha is 50 degree. Now third thing which he has given is the value of front view. So he has given the front view of line AB is 50 degree inclined to XY and measure 55 mm long. That means front view is 55 mm long. So we have the value of front view. Next thing which we have is the value of beta, because he has written while its top view is 60 degree inclined to XY line. So we know that the top view is making a beta angle with XY line. So we have the value of beta is equal to 60 degree. So now we have this much of data with us. Now he has not given us any hint about the line in which quadrant, but here you can say that point A is in first quadrant and he has not given other conditions. So we can assume that this line is in first quadrant. Okay, so let us start drawing this problem. So first you know that we will draw horizontal line and we give it a name XY. So this is random line which is XY line. Now first what we will do, first we will mark the position of point A. So let us mark the position of point A. So we know that the point A is 10 mm above HP and 15 mm in front of VP. So it is first quadrant. So what we will do, first we will take vertical line. On this vertical line we will take A dash, which is front view. So here it is in a 10 mm above HP. Above HP, that means he's talking about the front view. So we have to draw front view A dash 10 mm above XY line like this. Draw extension line and give dimension using align method. Same way, now he has written it is 15 mm in front of VP. So whenever he says that in front of VP, that means he's talking about the top view. So in first quadrant, top view will be below XY line. So mark point A, which is a 15 mm below XY line, draw extension line and give dimension using align method. So now we have marked the position of point A. Now let us draw horizontal line from point A and call it a locus of A. Same way, from point A dash, draw horizontal line and call it a locus of A dash, as you already know. The alpha is equal to 50 degree, which is given over here. So we know that we draw a 50 degree from point A dash. So what we will do, we will draw a one line from point A dash which is 50 degree to XY line. So what we will do, from point A dash, draw a line which is 50 degree inclined to XY line like this, as you can see on your screen. Now we have the value of front view with us, which is 55 mm. So we know that the alpha is the angle which is related to 55 mm. So we have already drawn over here, you can see on the screen, from point A dash we have drawn a one line which is making 50 degree angle with XY line, and this line is random line. Okay, now we have the value of front view is equal to 55 mm. So what you will do, you take a divider, mark a distance equal to 55 mm over there. Now A dash as a center, put an arc on this 50 degree line. So whenever it intersects, it will be your point P dash. Okay, so this will be your front view. Now from point B dash, draw horizontal line. It will be nothing but you can say that it is a locus of B dash or B1 dash. So this is how you can find the front view. Okay, now we have to work on finding the top view. So now we know that B dash and B both are on the same line. So what we will do, from B dash we will draw a one vertical line, because we know that B dash and B both are on the same vertical line. So from B dash I will draw a one vertical line in downward direction. So see this line, so any random length, so from point B dash I am going to draw a one vertical line in downward direction of any random length. Okay, now why I have done this? So let us see this, why I have done this. So now we have the angle beta equal to 60 degree, which is given us. So we know that beta is an angle which is related with point A. So we know that from point A we have to draw on one line which makes a 60 degree angle with XY line. So let us draw a one line from point A which makes 60 degree angle with XY line. So see this thing from point A. Okay, so mark beta equal to 60 degree, and from point A draw a line which makes 60 degree with XY line like this. Now whenever this 60 degree line intersect a line which is coming from B dash in downward direction, it will be your point B, because we know that B dash and B both are on same vertical line. So this is the hint, and this is why we have taken from point B dash we have taken vertical downward line. So why we have done this? Because we know that if we found we have already have the value of beta 60 degree with us. So what we will do, from point A we will draw a 160 degree line, and whenever this line intersects the vertical line which is coming from B dash in downward direction, it will be a point B. So now you have a point AB with us, and that is nothing, this is nothing but what? It will be a top view. So now we have a top view. Now from point B we will draw one horizontal line and call it a name locus of B or B1. Now we have this much value with us. We have front view, we have top view. Now what we have to do? We have to now find the true length. So what we will do? To find a true length, either we will rotate front view or top view. So what I will do here, I will rotate front view. So look at the screen very carefully. Now we have to mark a distance equal to A dash B dash. So now take a distance equal to A dash B dash, and A dash as a center, put an arc on locus of A dash, something like this. Whenever it intersect, it will be a point B2 dash. Now from B2 dash, draw a vertical line in downward direction. Whenever this line intersect locus of B or B1, it will be your point B1. Okay, so this is your true length. Now connect point A and B1. So this is your true length. Now we know that in front view and top view, the value of true length will be same. So now we have the value of true length to measure the distance AB1. Measure the distance AB1 in your divider, and now what you will do, from point A dash as a center, distance, what distance you have to measure? You have to take a distance equal to AB1, which is true length, because we know that true length in front view and top view both are, the value of true length will be same in front view and top view. So we know that AB1 equal to A dash B1 dash. So here we have the value of AB1. So what we will do, we will take a distance equal to AB1, and now A dash as a center, put an arc on locus of B dash or B1 dash. So whenever it will be intersect, it will be a point B1 dash. So A dash B1 dash. So we have find the true length. Okay, so we know that why we have done this, because we know that the value of true length will be same in front view and in top view. So A dash B1 dash equal to AB1. Okay, so this is how we can find the true length in front view. So now you can easily find the angle theta, because we know that the angle theta is related with line A dash B1 dash. So we know that A dash B1 dash will make angle theta with XY line. So we measure this angle theta. Same way, in top view we have a true length AB1. So it will make a 5 angle with XY line. So measure this 5 angle. Okay, so from this data you can easily find the value of theta and phi. So this is how you can solve the problem. So it is very easy example. What you have to do, just first read the example very carefully, then write out whatever the given data is over there, and then follow the step, then follow all the step. Okay, very carefully, step by step, go ahead, and then you can easily find, or then you can easily solve any example. So you have to just see the data very carefully. I hope you will like this video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.